Okay, so the first thing you need to consider is the light. And rule number one, if you're inside video recording, is never stand in front of the window. Rule number two, you need to have enough light. As you can see at the moment, I'm standing in a very dark room, and it's not a really great picture, isn't it? So if I put some light on and move over here, then we are at rule number three, which means that you need to consider where you stand. You can probably see that I have some shadows in my face at the moment, so I need to move. If I go over here, the lights are much better. So we're outside now, and that's because probably the best lighting you can get is a kind of a clouded day. You can see here gray skies, no sun. In general, you can make very good pictures outside, but if it's a sunny day, please remember rule number one, the one with the window. It's even worse if you're filming up against the sun.